Hello children of Standard 4. Let us begin with the 9th chapter of Moral Science. The name of the chapter is Being Gentle and Loving. There is a Chinese saying, a gentleman goes far, which means a person who is gentle becomes successful or progress in life. A person who speaks politely and respectfully to everyone is liked by everybody. We should give respect to everyone, whether he is rich or poor, educated or uneducated, old or young. Remember children, everybody on this earth, whether they are your elders or your friends or somebody younger to you, everybody deserves and desires respect. The story given below is of a Chinese philosopher who, with an interesting example, taught his disciples, means students, how to be gentle. When the philosopher Lao Tse was on his deathbed, means when the philosopher was about to die, he called his students to give them his last message. And what was the last message? To be gentle. He has given a very interesting example to make his students understand this. He called his students and asked them, what did they see in his mouth? One of them replied that he could see tongue. The philosopher said, when a person is born, he or she has a tongue in the mouth. Slowly, teeth comes. They are hard and strong, but when a person becomes old, the teeth drop off gradually. Only the tongue, which is soft and gentle, remains. Now, what do we understand, children? That the tongue which is born with a person, when a person is born, he or she has a tongue in his mouth. But later on, when teeth comes, which are hard and strong, the teeth falls off soon. But the tongue which is gentle remains forever. The lesson which the philosopher was trying to give was that what is gentle lasts. Like the tongue which was gentle, it lasts forever. But the teeth which was hard and strong fall before a person died. Now let us pray to God to give us the strength to be gentle and loving. There is a small poem given. It is actually a prayer. It's a prayer to God so that we become gentle and loving. We get the strength to become gentle and loving. Let us read. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is hatred, let me spread, let me implant love. Where there is injury, let me sow pardon. Means where there is pain, let me sow pardon. Let me forgive. Where there is despair, let me sow faith. Where there is lack of faith, let me implant, let me spread faith. Where there is darkness, let me sow hope. Where there is lack of light, means where there is darkness, let me bring hope. Where there is sadness, let me sow joy. For it is in giving that we receive. Remember children, whatever we give, similar thing we receive. It is in pardoning that we are pardoned. Once, if we start forgiving others, our own sin, our own mistakes will be pardoned by God. Okay children, thank you, and go through the chapter once again so that you can understand the chapter better. Thank you children.